Hi friends, let me show you my new Conair steam and iron accessory to get rings out of our clothes. As you can see, you can iron clothes as you do with a regular ironing accessory, or you can steam clothes also. So let's see what's inside. Okay, you get a quick start guide, accessories to use them. Okay. This is the actual steamer and ironing accessory. And you get the whole instructions here, okay? So let me tell you what's each of them. Okay, this is the Creaser attachment, like for pants or shirt. This is the delicate bonnet for trims and fine fabric. And this is the bristle brush. It will ensure steam penetrates fibers for a perfect press. Okay, and this accessory will hold two different ones: a silicone band that will help you pull fabric so you get wrinkles out easier, and this brush, the bristle brush, so steam will penetrate even heavy fabrics. Okay, perfect. So let's try it.